Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Rabbi zidni ilma. Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. May Allah bless us with health and ease. I am your English teacher, Miss Maryam Mudassir. Dear students, today we will do the exercise of unit number 2, textbook page number 30 and 31. So, dear students, open your textbook page number 30. Let's look. Here you can see some words. First of all, we will learn the meaning of these words. Number 1, found. Found mean mila. Number 2, some. Some mean kuch. Number 3, brown. Brown is a color name. Number 4, away. Away mean dur. Number 5, both. Both mean dono. Number 6, little. Little mean thoda sa या छोटा. And number 7, much. Much means ज़्यादा. So dear students, use the words in the box above and fill in the blanks in the passage below. Let's start. There was once a little dash mouse who was very hungry. Little dash mouse, little brown mouse. एक दफ़ा एक छोटा ब्राउन चूहा जो कि बहुत भूखा था. He looked everywhere, but there was no food to be found. To be dash, to be found. उसने इधर उधर देखा लेकिन उसे खाने को कुछ ना मिला. So he went out of his mouse hole to look for something to eat. चुनाचा वो अपने बिल से निकला और खाने के लिए कुछ तलाश करने लगा. After dash time, he spotted 2 dash pieces of cheese on the kitchen table. After dash time, after some time, he spotted 2 dash pieces of cheese, 2 little pieces of cheese on the kitchen table. थोड़ी देर बाद उसने किचन की मेज पर 2 छोटे पनीर के टुकड़े देखे. The brown mouse was dash nervous. Dash nervous, much nervous. ब्राउन चूहा बहुत घबराया हुआ था. But after gathering some courage, लेकिन कुछ हिम्मत जमा करके, he climbed up the table. वो मेज पर चढ़ा. Grabbed dash the cheese pieces. Grabbed both the cheese pieces. उसने दोनों पनीर के टुकड़े पकड़े. And ran dash into his mouse hole. And ran away into his mouse hole. और अपने बिल की तरफ भाग गया. Students, for your convenience, I am providing you answer key, so you can pause the video here and can easily check your answers. Now students, let's learn grammar. As you know, nouns are naming words. But do you know what are verbs? Verbs are action words. Verbs are action words. A verb is a word that shows action. A verb is a word that shows action, like jumping girl, the baby sleeps, a man eats a burger. In these sentences, jumping, sleeps, eats are verbs. Now let's watch a video to understand it better.
Action words. Verbs. What are verbs? Verbs are actions that we do. Eat, drink, read, and write. Run, jump, sleep and fight, bake, cook, dance and laugh too. Let us learn about action words, verbs. This is Ricky. Ricky is very active. He does a lot of things. Ricky jumps. He plays tennis. Ricky dances to his favorite music. Ricky reads a lot. Here, jumps, plays, dances and reads are words that name actions and therefore are called action words. An action word tells what someone or something does. Action words are called verbs.
Now students, open your textbook page number 30, part A. Let's learn grammar. Underline the nouns and circle the action words in the following sentences. The first one is done for you. बच्चों आपने इस सवाल में नाउन्स को अंडरलाइन करना है और एक्शन वर्ड्स को आपने सर्कल करना है. So please identify nouns and action words carefully. Number 1. Mice live in halls. Students, you can see mice and halls are noun. So we will underline these words. And live is a action word, so we will circle it. Number 2. The sun rises in the east. Sun and east are nouns, so we will underline these words. And rises is a action word, so we will circle it. Number 3. The moon shines at night. Moon and night are nouns, so we will underline these words. Shines is a verb, so we will circle it. Number 4. The clock tells us the time. Clock and time are nouns, so we will underline these words. Tells is a verb, so we will circle it. Number 5. Fish swim in the river. Fish and river are nouns because they are naming words, so we will underline these words. Swim is an action word, so we will circle it. Students, for your convenience, I am providing you answer key, so you can pause the video here and can easily check your answers. Now students, I am going to assign you homework. It is textbook page number 31. Fill in the following blanks with a suitable word from the box. The first one is done for you. Here you can see some verbs. You have to use these verbs in the blanks. First of all, understand the meaning of verbs. Pulls, pulls mean khenchta. Brings mean lata. Shine, shine mean chamakta. March mean chalta. Pots mean undelta. Climbs mean चढ़ता. Gallop mean तेजी से दौड़ता हुआ. Blow mean बजाता. Students, number 1 blank is done for you. The soldiers dash along the road. March along the road. Number 2, the stars dash in the sky. Number 3, the ox dash the cart. Number 4, the postman dash letters. Number 5, The monkey dashed a tree. Number 6. The horses dashed around the field. Number 7. The rain dashed down the sky. Number 8. The guards dashed their whistles. Students, I hope you will write your answers carefully. Students, here is the answer key for you. After completing your work, you can check your answers with this answer key. And if you commit any mistake, don't worry, just erase that mistake and make it correct. Take good care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.